In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change autofill addresses in Brave. If you've ever gotten tired of typing the same street, city, and postal code over and over, this walkthrough will help you keep your details accurate and save time whenever you fill out forms online. Start by opening the Brave browser and heading into Settings. You can get there from the menu in the top right corner. Once you're in Settings, scroll to find Additional Settings, then select Autofill and choose Addresses and More. This is the central place where Brave stores and manages the addresses it uses to fill forms for you. Before you make changes, look for the option labeled Save and Fill Addresses. Make sure this is toggled on. When this switch is enabled, Brave can suggest your saved addresses and offer to remember new ones as you browse. If it's off, you won't see those helpful suggestions, even if you have the addresses saved. To add a new address manually, use the Add button on this page. Fill in the fields that make sense for you. Things like your name, street, city, state or region, postal code, and country. You can include optional details such as an organization if it's relevant. Keep your entry clear and consistent so Brave can match it cleanly to forms on different sites. If you see an address that needs an update, select it and choose Edit. Adjust anything that's outdated, maybe a new apartment number or a changed postal code, and save your changes. If an address is no longer needed, remove it from the list. Cleaning up old entries helps prevent the wrong information from autofilling when you're in a hurry. You can also add addresses on the fly while browsing. When you fill out a shipping or billing form on a website, Brave will usually prompt you to save that address. Click Save, and it will appear in your saved list for future use. This is a quick way to capture accurate details without opening settings. After you've added or updated your information, test it on a simple web form. Click into an address field and you should see suggestions based on your saved entries. Pick the one you want and Brave will fill the rest. If the suggestions don't appear, go back and confirm that Save and Fill Addresses is turned on. That's it. You've learned how to add, edit, and delete your autofill addresses in Brave and how to save them from forms as you browse. Keeping this list tidy ensures fast, accurate checkouts and fewer typing errors. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.